Good morning, my man. How is you doing? I want to wish you an amazing day. I want to tell you how proud I am. You are on holiday and you are keeping up with the habits. This is wonderful. This is fantastic. And you know that's how it works. Usually it's when you go on holidays that you break down your habits. Usually it's when you go on holidays that you break down your habits. So this time I made it the super priority to do everything that I do every single morning because I don't want to go back home and feel discouraged. I don't want to go back home and feel like, I did it again. This time, I am the new version. This time is the upgrade. And when I look at myself right now in the mirror and I see the way my body looks, I swear it's almost like I just borrow someone else's body. I feel like this is someone just gave it to me for the purpose of making this video. That's how it feels. But the reality is, this is me. This is my body. And I build this shit brick by brick, push up by push up every single day. Calisthenics, pull up bar, all those things that I don't know the name yet. I did it on my own. But because I realized that this is me loving myself. I realized that meditation every single day is me loving myself. Reading a spiritual book every single day for 10 minutes, it is me loving myself. All those things, before I go out there and I start loving other people, being nice to other people, I need to be nice with myself first. And that's why I take the first 45 minutes, 1 hour of each day to dedicate those minutes to me, because I am him. I am the only one that deserve that love first, because all the rest is coming outside of me. And if my cup is empty, no matter what I think that I'm doing out there, I'm not doing it. So I am so proud to be able to look at myself now. Oh my God, look at this. Some people might think, oh, he's flexing. No, because we've been not consistent at all. Discipline has been one of the biggest things in my life. And this body is the ultimate proof that I am disciplined. This body is the ultimate proof that I am consistent. This body is the ultimate truth that now I love myself, right? It starts here and then I continue with the actions, with the thoughts, with the conversation that I have with myself and with other people. But this, every time that I come here in front of the mirror 2 times per day to brush my teeth, as soon as I wake up and before going to bed, this is the place where I am being true to myself. This is the place where I am saying to myself what I need to know in order to improve the quality of my life. And when I come here, I want to make sure that I can see this body that I've been building, that I build myself, from my thoughts to my actions. And I hope this inspires you too to do the same. That's the only reason why I'm making those videos. Stop playing with yourself. Peace.